Hare Krishna. Let me take you today to a very interesting, small, tiny village named as Chiksauli. Chiksauli is the village of Chitra Devi. So, Srimati Radharani, she has 8 principal gopis, and one of them is Chitra Devi. So, this village, now, what is famous here about this village is that Krishna, Balaram, and their gopas, they would often come here to steal the yogurt and butter. So one day, the devotees or the gopis staying in Chiksali, they thought that they will catch Krishna red-handed. They kept the butter pot in the window, left the house open, and they left the home. So nobody was there inside the house, and they of course spotted it, and they came inside. And the moment they got inside, quickly the gopis who were hiding there came and they latched it from outside. The moment they put the latch, they could hear, Krishna and others could hear. So there was one small window which was open. And one after the other, all the gopas started escaping through that window. Now, Krishna has a Brahman friend. His name is Madhu Mangal, and he's very close to Krishna. And this friend of Krishna, he is a little plump, like a laddu. He loves laddu, and Madhu Mangal, like when I see laddu, I'm always reminded of Madhu Mangal. So that's how he is. So poor thing, he was trying to get out and he got stuck in the window. Now, by this time, the gopis came inside. Krishna and others were pulling Madhu Mangal outside, and those gopis from inside, they were pulling him inside, and Madhu Mangal was stuck there. So finally, they pulled him inside and they caught Madhu Mangal red-handed. And what they did is, so in this village, Chiksali, nearby, there is this Krishna Kund. There is a Kund. They brought him to Krishna Kund. Now, Madhu Mangal, he is a Brahman, so he has a shikha. They tied his shikha with a rope. And this rope they threw over the tree, over the branch, and made it like a pulley. And they started pulling this rope. So when they were pulling this rope, the shikha would get higher and higher, and boom, like he would cry in pain, and then they will drop, and they would do that again. So like that, so we could understand that, okay, seeing this, Krishna will definitely come, and then we will catch Krishna and we will punish Krishna. Of course, Krishna came, because Krishna can't see his devotees in distress. So Krishna came there, and Krishna came not to apologize, but what did he do? So the Supreme Lord, he said, don't you understand? He is a Brahmana. By his one curse, you all will get husbands double your age or triple your age who will have 12 children already. So this is what will happen if you will punish or insult a Brahmana. He is a Brahmana. And then immediately the gopis, they are innocent, simple-minded girls. So they accepted their mistake. They opened Madhu Mangal, and Krishna said that this is not enough. You should go to your home and bring variety of eatables for Madhu Mangal. So all the gopis, they ran to their home and they brought eatables also for Madhu Mangal. So this happened near Chiksali. So this is Chitra Devi's village. Hare Krishna.